welcome back to Stay Happy.
So, we went in the store and we, in our live stream, you remember that, we were getting veggies.
We were also looking at their supplies and their cages and stuff.
We saw a cage, but we also wanted to look online, just in case.
To see, what was better, if there was anything better online.
And we found this cage. There were two choices of color, black and white. We chose the black, so the budgies color would really shine.
Yeah. So we ordered this about a week ago.
So
and
it just came
arrived today. So yay.
Let's open it up. Okay.
A lot of cardboard.
Sorry about that. Oh, bubble wrap.
No, they don't want it to get broken. How would we take this out?
Wait, maybe put the box. Careful. It's on the edge. Oh,
What?
it was on the edge. I need to stand up for this. Okay, let's
Bring that
try
down.
taking
Bad
the
cardboard.
pieces out.
Why is this so hard?
Good.
Try grabbing it by the bubble wrap.
Got everything out of the box.
It was kind of heavy,
so
and the box was
so
skinny,
skinny. So this is the roof over here.
Ceiling, and I think this is like the hanger for the roof.
Yeah, probably.
The bar spacing is so small, so that's great. So they can't
Fit their
squeeze
heads
their
through.
head or anything, so they don't
Okay,
choke.
and then next we have over here. So the thing they're in right now, this over here, it's the bottom. It's the bottom of the cage.
So if they drop any food or water, anything,
this part will
is just
catch it.
a pull-out part,
Like
so
you
that
just
it's
pull it
easier
out
to clean the bottom
and you
of
clean.
the cage.
Then we have these dowel perches, which I don't really like.
We might replace them, but
Yes.
it's okay for now.
Oh, and I am loving this swing. I never knew it would come with this swing, which is fantastic. So
It didn't
I'm
say
loving
it would
this
come with the
swing.
swing, so wahoo for a swing.
Then we had some food and water bowls, which I honestly did not expect. They gave us 4, which is absolutely perfect.
Yeah, it looks like they come apart.
Oh, nice. And then we have these clippers for the bowls, I think.
No, they clip this
Oh, yeah.
the slate thing.
Yeah. Okay. And over here we have the walls
Like the walls of the cage
and the bottom of the cage too. So yeah, here it is. I think the first part over here is the door.
Yeah, maybe. I can't. It's hard to tell.
So
they're
we're
all
going
still
to
in bubble wrap.
we're going to after we're done we can play with this bubble wrap. Where's the part that pops?
It comes with instructions. See?
So where are they? They're down there. Here we go. Instructions. So this is gonna be really helpful.
It's like an instruction booklet.
Manual, instruction, tiny manual.
Yeah.
The tiny manual. So we're going to try to put this all together and let's get started.
So
We're
gonna
gonna
try
try to get everything out.
I'm just gonna set
One
this
piece.
aside. Set the excess aside.
Okay, this belty thing. Put this aside for me.
They probably wrapped it with it because bubble wrap.
That was easy. Let me just put
Where would I put this?
Can you put the bubble wrap aside? So
I'm
bubbly.
gonna start unwrapping it and putting it together.
So yes.
So
Under bubble wrap. Ta-da.
I think we're gonna possibly do put the cage together first, then put the stuff inside. Just gonna set this over here.
Yeah. Okay.
Instructions. You wanna hold it?
Sure, I'll put it over here.
Lots
So-
of dowel perches.
Ooh, this is what it's gonna look like. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, this is what it's gonna look like at the end, which is, I think it's amazing. It's gonna be so big. It's gonna be so great.
Yeah, just looking at the bottom is making me think, wow, this is gonna be big.
Okay, so let's take all of this out. Here you go.
We might need these.
Yeah, Put them aside for now.
Yeah.
So we can like put things together. Bon voyage, Dad.
Okay.
Good.
What's this?
Okay. I think it's a slide door.
Yeah, it's the part that you actually pull out.
Oh, cool. That's nice. Okay, so instructions manual.
Ziploc bag.
Finally.
Just put that in the box.
Box. Okay, so the first part. Where do you open this from? How did they own? Okay.
And just do that.
Okay, I don't think we need this right now. I don't.
Lots of instructions.
I don't think we need any of this.
Usage and safety instructions.
Don't need that at the moment. We need to know how to put this together. Okay. Whoa. This is the same
this
thing
is same thing in
Spanish.
Spanish.
Oh, finally.
Let me just fold this like that.
Now let's put this somewhere so we can see how to do this. Wait, where's the first thing? First,
These are the pieces. No, they're the pieces.
Oh, the roof?
Partless. It says partless.
Partless. Okay, let's
Assembly.
let's see the next part.
Wait, we're gonna need the wait, should we do the food cups first? Or
think
focus on the
that's-
cage first?
Cage.
Wait, it's right there.
Okay, so we found part M. It goes on the bottom.
Because we don't want them
Getting
digging in the
in.
stuff at the bottom.
Okay, what's next? Tell me and I'll do it.
Yeah, over here. I can't tell.
Part L. Let's
Part
find part.
C and part L.
I think those are the I think those are the pieces with the hearts.
Yeah, wait, what? Pieces with the heart. I can't
See?
Oh, yeah.
Found one.
Wait, what's
And
the piece at the
together.
bottom? Not the.
What? It stands? Oh, so that's how we put it together. Okay.
Okay.
So
You want to start with that part
first let's
maybe?
unfold it. First let's unfold
Come on.
these.
Cage.
Good. I think I need to come at the side.
Set that in there.
Help me. Good. Okay, this seems. Oh, I found the door.
You found the door?
I think.
Yeah, I think this is the door.
Yeah, I think
I
that's
don't,
lift up
I don't know
doors.
how it opens.
Okay.
At least now we know this is a door.
Where'd the other part go? Oh, there it is. No, that's the
No.
door.
That,
Okay, so we did like the half of it.
yeah, this is only like
Half of
like
it.
you can say if you looked at it as a house, you could say like this is downstairs, so there's still upstairs left to go.
So we built like half of it. There's still one more half to go. We're going to put it right now on the bottom of the cage. So I'm gonna hold it down, and my sister is going to put this on.
Sorry if I push you.
It's fine. Try to push it in.
Wait, this part's is it in?
Lift it
No,
up.
on that side.
Oh yes, it's in on that side. Yeah, good.
Yes.
Slowly down a bit more.
Yeah.
Yes, perfect.
Yeah,
Okay,
so we
we
got
have
them
it
into
in.
these little hatches. So, yeah.
Okay, so now we're going to try to do the second part.
So see, it kind of latched on to these little openings at the bottom.
We already kind of started the second part. I'm gonna have to stand up to show you guys. We kind of, okay, so we're going to put this half aside, like over here. We're going to put it,
Surprisingly, this is really heavy for really thin pieces of metal.
and now we're going to get started on our second half. Thought there was another piece.
Wait, there are two doors?
Yeah, there are two doors.
One for upstairs and one for downstairs.
I thought there there was
the
one
other
more door.
piece?
There it is.
No.
Yes, that's
Well,
it.
that's part.
That's a part of it. Okay, we're going to try
No,
to
other way.
hook this
Other way.
Okay, try to hook these on.
Like this.
Wait, I need to get this hooked on too.
That's. I don't think that's for it.
How is this so impossible? Oh, and there's another hook down here.
Well, let's just try to hook them onto the actual cage first.
I guess. I guess. Okay, I think this is good. Let's just wait. Then how do we do the other side? How do we do the other side? Woo! Okay.
Surprisingly, a cage is hard to assemble.
Agreed. Okay, my side is good.
My side is not good. Well, yeah, now it's good-ish.
Okay,
I'm like good-ish.
my only problem is these two hooks. You have them too.
I don't know. No, they won't fit like this. I think we're gonna. I don't know. Maybe they're for the root. No.
I think this is good enough. I think it's good. Will it be good? Why is it so hard to assemble this cage?
Okay, so do we have all the hooks latched on at the same?
Yes, other than these two. Let's try it. Okay. Let's see if we can put the roof on. Okay, so we built one half with the roof and the other half right here with the bottom. So it's like
Bottom half, top half.
upstairs and downstairs. So we're going to try to put this on. Careful, careful. Fragile. Wait, I found another door. It's like a side door.
Those
Well-
doors, obviously.
I'll hold this down.
Why is this so hard?
Oh. Woo. Feel like-
Okay, don't hold the cage down. Help me up here.
Kitty, I'll come.
Come over to the side.
Okay. I'm gonna try to hook.
Hook that way.
I got some hooks. You got any?
Let's try to get
Lift
these.
yours up a bit. Yeah, good.
Whoa.
Okay, I think my side is good with the hooks. What about you?
I've got the front, or my side, but not this.
I'll get to the other side.
It's kind
Get to this over here.
of a little rascal.
Yeah.
Wait. We need to kind of hook them in both at the same time.
Oh,
Wait, I need to pull the. Come on.
this is hard. The bar spacing is now getting on my nerves.
Yeah. But at least it
Okay, everyone. So right now we put the entire thing
Yeah.
together.
We put in the perches and
We
the
put
little
these
clips.
to the
red
drawer,
clips.
and we put one food bowl. And now we're going to show you while we're putting everything else. But right now, I think the cage just by itself looks pretty amazing.
Yeah, and it's
and
really
fantastic.
big. So
This is
I
gonna
hope
be
they
perfect
like
for
it.
birds. But you know what would be even more fantastic when the birds are in it.
So
We're
we
going
followed
to-
the instruction manual. Turns out assembling a bird cage is
It's
harder
really
than
hard.
you think.
So we're going to we're going to keep trying to do the rest of it. So here we go.
So
So I'm gonna put in this swing I have. So look, we have this apparently complicated white hook. It goes onto the swing. Can't talk. We also have these really nice doors. I like the lock. It's very simple.
but
and
see
easy.
this part right here.
It's like this is open, and then you just have to put it in the bar, and then boom, closed.
Yeah.
And you
do it
have
like
these
that.
little like slide doors. You have
Yeah.
this one in the middle. Sometimes they get stuck. Then you got these two over here. And I just discovered these side doors. They have two. They have two at they have two upstairs and two downstairs. So in all, they have 10 doors.
this is a lot of doors, but most of them will not be used because these right here are gonna be used for the food bowls.
That's why there are 4 of these types and 4 of the food bowls. So I'm gonna start putting in the swing. I think I wanna put it somewhere up there.
You should put it somewhere up here because these 2 perches are at the here at the middle, so the swing would be good.
Okay.
The
Hard to
little
reach.
food bowls, they came with this, and they're supposed to
Be like that.
be like this. Like they're supposed to hook on to this. But we don't really like how this is being set up right here. So we're just gonna put them over there and just use this like this.
They're not being used.
Yeah.
Okay, just make sure that's locked. Great. And I also like this block because they have these little tiny hooky thingies, and you can see if the lock went in them, and if it is, it's locked, and it's all good. So I'm gonna try again. The swing fell, so take 2.
You're like, take 2. So the food bowls are gonna go in.
Yay, the swing's in! There we
I
go.
feel like that's too close.
Well, I can't reach any further, so deal with it.
Well, you try putting in the food bowls and I'll try this way.
Okay.
Come on, please. Please, clip. Stop it. Stop it. Being bad clip. Oh, there we go.
So I'm gonna try clipping on a food bowl.
I'm just gonna kind of get this out of the way.
No, you're gonna clip it up there. Nice idea.
Yeah, it's supposed to go kind of like
Up
on the
there
ceiling.
somewhere. There we
Ish.
go. We have our swing. So
Right, this is good.
I'm gonna do the food bowl right here. We have our first food bowl. I'm gonna try to put it in.
Well, we can close this now.
Flip it
Move
up.
your head. I'm like, move your head.
Okay, so I have to put. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna open the entire door because this seems easier. We have to go. Where's the other bowl put in?
It's easier if you just like this. You put them in and get them to go in.
Oh, and then you close the door up. Ta-da! So we have our first
I'm
2 food bowls. Now we just need to do these. Okay, last one. I think I'm gonna open the door for this one. Can you hold the door for me?
Yeah.
Thanks. Because the door slipped down. Okay, need to take out this thing.
Do they all have the thing taken out?
I think
Yeah.
so. Okay.
Put it in diagonally.
There we go. And close the door. And there. Okay. Lock it up.
So,
Ta-da! We have our final result right now. The instructions manual would be easier if there were words instead of pictures. Because everything is just pictures, pictures, pictures.
it was a little hard to figure out, but
We did it.
mission complete.
Mission accomplished. Woohoo! Fireworks, confetti, balloons.
You're like, confetti balloons.
Yay!
Party.
Birds. We also
I
have birds
really
in the
like
party.
this. It looks awesome
Uh-huh.
and really big.
So I hope the birds like it as much as we do because I worked hard for this. We worked hard for this.
Yeah.
So,
You know, trying to put this together and waiting a week for it to actually get here.
and putting it like you'd expect for it to come complete.
But no.
But no, it gives you these instructions that are very bad. And it expects you to just be, oh, I'm a smarty, I can put this together. And that's it. But really, no. So it takes time.
I hope the birds like it because we worked hard putting it together and waiting and convincing our parents to actually get birds to begin with.
And we've done a lot of research, And quick tip, if you're gonna get a bird, they're not a simple animal. You need a lot of research, just as any pet. So
Yeah, basically, getting a bird is kind of like getting an active little puppy.
basically,
So if you're ready for a puppy, you're probably ready for a bird because you're ready for their activities.
yeah, because budgies, the birds we're getting,
They're really active.
and they're from Australia,
So, yeah.
they fly miles. So here we are, final result. So happy with this.
So swinging them up here because
At the
You know,
top, we have the
I think
swing.
they'll like the swing, especially because, we put it at the top because they like being up top.
They're gonna be getting some light if we put it by our window. And then right here we have some food bowls and our perches, which we might replace. I think we should, but for now.
For now.
And then down here, next we have another perch, 2 food bowls, and these the drawery thingies.
Yeah, the drawer. So where
We
is
are-
it?
we also
it's on
have-
the other side, I think.
We also have the
Yeah.
drawer right here.
So
on
see,
this side.
you just slide it out,
And
clean
empty
it up.
everything, and then just slide. You want to slide? Okay, slide it in. Make sure it's good, and then
Yeah,
just
there you go.
push in. Good.
Don't get stuck. I can't see where I'm putting it.
Okay, just. Duh. I think it's stuck from the top. Good. 1 second. I'll try putting it in. You try holding the cage, okay?
Wait.
Okay, there we go. Finally.
You have the magic touch.
Thank you. I'm a magician. No, I'm not. I'm not.
So this is pretty much the end of our video.
Be sure to subscribe, like, click the notification bell, and share for
And-
the birds, for our birds. Do
Yeah.
it for the birds.
Yeah.
And
we'll see you
next
next time.
And don't forget to stay happy birds.